Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, mamaya sa Gali Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na tutigyan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of September 12 hanggang September 18 for the sign of Cancer. So, Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, sa spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ng ating mga gilap? So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-supporter sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig na gumapong na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Cancer. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ng ating mahagilap? So guys, alimin na natin yan, natutuklasin natin at bubulabugin natin kanong eksena sa iyo ng ating mga angel spirit. No, kanong kaya nga mensahe sa iyo. So ito na. Angel spirit, please give me information pa. Oh my goodness, this is something the moon card, no? This is something an intuition, dreams, and this is something of fear. No, may mga takot at pangamba dito, or may mga bagay na pupasok sa isipan mo na maaring nangangamba ka sa isang sitwasyon, or kumbaga nagkakaroon ka ng confusion or in denial sa situation mo. Parang ano siya, kumbaga naguguluhan ka pa as of now. Parang gano'n, no? And this is something Ace of Cups, no? This is something in new love coming in for you. Now, may bagong pag-ibig daw na darating sa'yo. At this is something in new relationship or new beginning. And there's something new romance. Something this is the Hangman. Represent the new perspective. Na baguhin ng pananaw, baguhin ng kaisipan. May mga bagay sa'yo dito na you're feeling stuck from what? From the past, from situations, no? And of course, being self-limiting. Kumbaga binibigyan ng limitado sa sarili na hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka makagalaw. And this is something, the Eight of Cups is something moving on. No? Kailangan mo na makamove on. Kailangan mo na pakawalan, bitawan, no? Yung mga masasakit na pangyayari sa buhay mo. No? Kumbaga may mga pinagdaanan ka ata this past few months or this past few years na kailangan mo nang i-let go. And this is something the lovers. So, connected with your love life, guys. No? Connected with something, a love life. No, may pag-ibig dito. So, let's see what is additional messages. So, this is something a Queen of Cups by healing. So, magkakaroon din ng healing dito. At this is something a mature emotional female, no? Feeling. So, something, an information na kumbaga mature tong person na to or something mas mature siya sa'yo. If you are a male, if you are a female, kumbaga this is something mature enough for the things sa emotion. What is the Moon card? The Moon card is a Seven of Swords. There's a sneakiness, cheating, lying on you, no? May mga bagay dito na kumbaga nahihirapan ka mag-decide kasi kumbaga hindi mo pa lubos na lalaman or parang kumbaga maraming sikreto or maraming bagay na hindi mo pa lubos na uunawaan sa ngayon. This is something sneakiness, no? Kumbaga maraming kasinungalingan, maraming mga bagay na nakatago o maaaring kumbaga marami mo pasok sa isipan mo na maaring nililin lang ka, no? Kumbaga, kailangan ano kayo dito, kumbaga labanan mo tong something temptation or something tukso, no? Maaring, yun nga yung temptation is something tukso. Na at the same time, yung parang ano siya, guys, parang may nagbe-brainwash like that, parang may umaano sa isipan mo, like, something trickery, talagang may panloloko, panlilin lang dyan. And this is something the star card for wish fulfillment. So mga bagay na kumbaga nagkaroon ka ng trauma pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. Parang sinasabi dito magkakaroon ka ng pag-asa na magmahal ulit. So this is something the Knight of Cups with an offer. Now with the proposal, engagement, higher level commitment. So this is the Eight of Cups represent the Page of Pentacles with an investment. So this is something information na kailangan mo ng i-let go, no? Kumbaga, iwasan mo yung mga investment or mag-invest sa isang tao, no? Alam mong hindi mo sigurado. Or something na parang, kumbaga, na-trauma ka na yung pag-invest ng feelings, ng emotions, and of course, ng panahon at oras, no? At the same time, magkakaroon ka raw ng bagong simula dito. Kailangan mo ng pakawalan, surrender yan sa ating divine. The lovers represent the ease of ones to something in new law, new offer, and of course, new beginning. Na pagdating sa love life, so ibig sabihin may bagong pag-ibig talaga na darating dito, maaaring iba, kumbaga magbigay sa'yo ng bagong simula, no? And of course, this is something ang Queen of Cups, represent the Five of Pentacles in reverse. So see, kumbaga dahil sa mature ka na pagdating sa emotion, kayang-kaya mo nang kontrolin at kayang-kaya mo nang kumbaga maging kalmado. No, makaka-recover ka na for financial loss or financial crisis. Kumbaga magkakaroon ka dito ng kalayaan pagdating sa finances. And of course, parang maaaring lumagong yung finances or source of income. Kumbaga hindi ito naapektuhan, no, yung finances mo, no? Or maaaring naapektuhan siya pero makaka-recover ka na. Ganun siya. So, let's see what is the Moon card because the Seven of Swords represents Six of Cups. So, see, this is something a past person na maaaring nagloko, sinungaling sa'yo. Na maaaring pinapasok na sa panaginip mo ngayon lahat ng mga pangyayari or kumbaga dahilan or something, impormasyon na hindi mo palubos na unawaan. Binibigyan ka ng intuition or visions na makita, no, yung mga bagay na nakatago na kailangan na mailantad o mailahad sa'yo. Something, the Ace of Cups because the Star card represents the Eight of Wands. So this is something, a communication and trouble and messages. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng trouble dito. And this is something, information with the messages, phone calls. Maaaring, kumbaga, makaratanggap ka ng mga tawag, ng mga chat or something, kumbaga, conversation dito na kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng something and new beginning pagdating sa love. No, parang etong tao na to yung makakapag-realize sa'yo na hindi lahat ng tao same ng taong minahal mo or yung mga taong nakaraang dati mong pag-ibig, no, na maaaring nagbigay sa'yo ng trauma. So this is something, hope and miracles na maaaring kumbaga kailangan mo nang pakawalan yung nangyari sa nakaraan kasi hindi naman parehas ang sistema at hindi naman parehas ng eksena ang gagawin sa'yo sa hinaharap. So let's see, the Hangman because the Knight of Cups represent the Queen of Swords, a bigger picture. No? Dapat tinitingnan mo yung sarili mo na mas malawak, no? Kumbaga, wag mong tingnan yung sarili mo sa nakaraan. Tingnan mo yung sarili mo na kung paano pa ma-develop, paano pa magkakaroon ng transition and of course, the transformation. The Eight of Cups because the Page of Pentacles represent the Justice card. Don't you worry, it's a karma is waving, no? Kumaga meron ditong about na investment na maaaring niloko ka, nag-trader sa'yo, no? Something let go, no? Kasi this something karma is waving. There's a principle karma. Huwag ka mag-alala, wala nakakatakas sa karma, guys. So, let lovers, because the Ace of Wands represent the Nine of Cups with a wish fulfillment. So, may mga bagay na matutupad na. May mga bagay na may sasakatuparan na. May mga bagay dito na maaaring magbago simula at maaaring magbigay ng kaligayahan sa'yo dito at nag-uumapaw na success. So, let's see what is the Queen of Cups because the Five of Pentacles in reverse. So this is something, a Page of Swords. Now, this is spying, looking, watching at you, no? Or either na being curiosity, kailangan malaman mo at tuklasin pa yung magpapatatag, no, ng iyong emosyon, no? Or maaaring magpabigay sa iyo ng mas matibay at mas malakas na parang hindi kanila magagawa ng weaknesses dito or kahinaan. Kumbaga ito yung bagay na napakalakas mo, na napakahirap mo dito patumbahin. Parang gano'n. Kumbaga napaka-mature enough mo pagdating sa emotion. Kailangan mo pantuklasin, no? Kung paano mo mapapabago, no, at mapoproteksyonan yung nararamdaman mo some other way, no, sa mga susunod na eksena, no, tulad na nangyari sa nakaraan. So let's see what is the outcome. And this is the chart card. You need to take action for this, no? Kailangan mong kumilos at kailangan mong gumalaw. And this is something, victory is yours. This is something, upcoming obstacles, but kumbaga kayang-kaya mong solusyonan. Kayang-kaya mong tapusin. This is something, Queen of Wands, by confident. Kailangan mo lang lakasan ang loob mo, lakasan ang pakiramdam mo. Dahil yan ang magpapabago at magpapatatag ng pagkatao mo. This is something, the Eight of Swords universe, to have something freedom from toxicity, from toxicities, no? Freedom from negativities. Parang nakalaya ka na sa mga bagay-bagay at nagbigay ng solusyon to, no, para ma-relieve or ma-control mo yung situation. Additional messages with an angel spirit. Pagdating sa career, there's a Knight of Swords with anxieties, no? Sleepless nights. Kung baga na-stress ka na rin as of now pagdating sa career mo. And of course, natatakot ka. Nagkakaroon ka ng pangamba. This is something that also see indecision. Kung baga nahihirapan ka rin mag-decide as of now. Kung baga pagdating sa, baka maaring mag-cross ang landas nyo dyan sa business or trabaho mo. This is the full card for a new beginning. Magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula dyan. Kumbaga, makakalaya ka din sa mga nakasanayan mo or nakagawian mo rin, no? Pagdating sa career, na kumbaga may kinalaman sa kanya. Or maaaring, kumbaga, mabago rin ang takbo ng eksena dito. Kumbaga, kailangan mo na lang palayain din yung sarili mo at baguhin ng mga nakasanayan mo. So, let's see what is additional messages pagdating pa sa career. Sige, additional. And this is something the Empress card for revert, no? Kumbaga, magkakaroon talaga ng new beginning. This is something blessed with the fertility na maaring, kumbaga, ipanganak na ulit yung panibago eksena sa'yo or magkaroon ka ng bagong blessing. So, let's see. Additional messages about sa love life. Pagdating sa pag-ibig, this is a 2 of Pentacles with a balance, no? Maging balance ka pagdating sa emosyon. And there's a 5 of Wands, so something competitor or complication, no? Kumbaga, meron din dito argument na maaaring nagbigay sa inyo ng misunderstanding or either guys battle, talaga nagtalo kayo or meron ditong ayaw maungasan, no? Or either pagdating sa relasyon kailangan nyo maging balance, give and take dapat. And this is the 4 of Wands, no? Okay, this is something reverse. Parang nahantong dito from a breakup or something na postpone, no? Parang nandun kayo na sa eksena na parang ikakasal na kayo or either, kumbaga, magkakaroon na kayo ng, kumbaga, higher level commitment but eventually nag-collapse siya, nagbago, no? At na-delay, at nagkaroon na postpone. So, let's see. What is additional messages about sa health? About sa health mo, this is the King of Pentacles with the security. Maging secure ka pagdating sa nararamdaman mo or sa health mo. This is the King of Wands something vision, no? Bigyan na malino na kaisipan dito pagdating sa nararamdaman mo. No? Kumbaga, tignan mo lang kagad yung posibilidad. Baka hindi na siya normal. Ganon. Kumbaga, kailangan mong tukuyin kung ano yung nararamdaman mo talaga. So, let's see what is additional messages with our Romance Angels for Mystic Love Oracle deck. For Mystic Love Oracle deck, represent silence. No? This is something no contact. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, maaaring wala na kayong contact sa isa't isa. Meron talaga nagsinungaling sa with an ex, guys. So, umpisa pa lang No? Meron talaga ditong pinilit itago. This is something black, obstacle. Talagang binlock ko. Oh my God. Naka-block na sa isa't isa, ha? And this is something whole inner growth. Kumbaga, lumipas na yung panahon na lumipas na rin yung pagkakataon dito na parang na rin, no? Nagkaroon ng sawaan, no? At the same time, nagkaroon ng cheating din dito at the same time. Okay. Matagal na rin ang inyong panagsamahan. So, let's see what is additional messages with our Yin and Yang Oracle card. There's a 30 here. What is the 30 represent what? May 30 ako na sense dito, maaring 30 years na kayo. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit for Yin and Yang Oracle card. And this is something attractions, no? You are also attracted. Or maaring na attraction, no? Kumbaga, pares kayo na-attract sa isa't isa. And there's a note with a life purpose. Ito yung purpose mo sa buhay, no? And this is something luck and doubt. No? Meron dito kumbaga, pangihinayang, no? So, let's see what is the synchronicities. Let's see. And this is the protected love. No, protection na ng pag-ibig ko sa iyo. Ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay dito or kailangan protection na ng pag-ibig dito, ha, guys. And this is a mother. No, you are also a mother. Oh my God, single mom. And this is a persistence na kailangan tuloy-tuloy, kailangan kumbaga walang panghihina, walang kasawaan or something like consistent dapat, no? Persistence is like consistency, no? So let's see what is the magical fairy messages. And this is something, get some exercise. No, kailangan mo na exercise dito, guys. And this is something spring. No, this is something blossoming. May paglago talaga. Maaaring kumbaga love yourself. Parang yun nasa sense ko dito, guys. For the Money Move Oracle deck, for this money and career reading. So this is something, an ending. No, oh my God, talagang tinapos, guys. It's time to say goodbye. No, parang kailangan ng matapos, kailangan ng, 'di ba? This is something it's not a painful ending, but this is a beautiful ending. No, parang kailangan na lang matapos, no? Hindi na para mag-sink in or mag-stay pa sa isang situation. For Archangel Michael messages. Kasi may bagong pag-ibig na papasok sa iyo eh. Parang, kumbaga nawalan na ng gana, nawalan na ng tiwala, nawalan na rin ng kumbaga, there's a no more second chances and there's something no contact. And there's a favorable outcome. Papabor na rin sa iyo sitwasyon. And there's a let go of fear. Naalisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo ngayon na. Kailangan mo na lang magtiwala sa ating pong may kapal. So let's see what is the chakra messages. For the chakra, this is the discover, no? Marami ka pang madidiscover, marami ka pang malalaman. And this is something victim, na maaring victim ka pa, no? Na mga pangyayari dito, no? This is something, madidiscover mo na maaring biktima ka for what? So this is something expansion, na maaring palawakin pa ang kaalaman mo. Or I think this is something discovery. May madidiscover ka pa, guys. This is something mystery behind the scenes. So let's see what is the Romance Angels. So, maaaring biktima ka eh. So, ibig sabihin, meron ditong na parang may na-manipulate, no? Meron na-manipulate or something, meron ditong, this is something panlilin lang talaga, guys. No? Parang pinagkaisahan. And this is something chemistry. May chemistry kayo sa isa't isa. Or either, itong bagong pag-ibig, this is something for giving and learning. Kailangan mo magpatawad at kailangan mong matuto, no, sa mga napagdaanan mo. Kailangan mo nang pakawalan yung nakaraan. For the angels answer represent what? And this is to get more information. Marami ka pang dapat malaman na informasyon. And this is something no. This is something no, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na marunong ka dapat humindi or hindi mo dapat ginagawa. This is not the right time. Hindi pa sa ngayon. Oh my God, may malalaman ka pero hindi pa sa ngayon siguro, guys. So, let's see what is additional messages. And this is something truth reveal. Pero malalaman mo pa rin yung katotohanan. Diba? So, let's see. This is something manifesting, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, invest to yourself. Kumbaga, mahalin mo yung sarili mo. Kumbaga, laanan mo yung sarili mo. And because this is something on imagination. Napalawakin mo ang kaisipan mo. So, let's see what is additional messages for the angel spirit guides. And there's a jump in, no? Kumbaga, say yes to change. Now, dapat handa ka mabago. Handa ka sa pagbabago. And this is something Starkeeper by stay on your ground. Na kailangan alam mo sa sarili, pa rin yung sarili mo. Na kumbaga, alam mo pa rin sa sarili mo kung anong growth mo or even territory. Na kumbaga, alam mo sa sarili mo kung anong pinangahawakan mo. And this is something that card. So, magkakaroon talaga ng ending, guys. Ang pagwawakas, parang may pagwakas dito. And there's a blame, no? Wala kang ibang sisisihin dito, kundi ang sarili mo. Additional messages. And there's a practice. Enhance your ability and polish your skills, no? Marami ka pang dapat matutunan. This is something study. Marami ka pang dapat malaman. Kaya do more research, no? Tuklasin mo. Alamin mo yung magiging kalakasan mo, alamin mo yung magiging kahinaan mo dyan, no? Paano mo papalawigin at paano mo palalaksin pa, no? So, let's see what is the energy. So, this is the indecision. May mga bagay na hihirapan ka talaga mag-decide. What's that? So, this is something called kinepia. Kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetable. And there's a for Shakar Archangel Raphael for healing. Magkakaroon ka talaga ng healing din dito, guys. Kumbaga, makaka-recover ka from the lot of pain, struggles, no? Oh my God, ang daming ganap dito sa buhay mo, guys, ha? Naluloka ako dito. Ang daming ganap. And there is an unconditional joy na may pinanggagalingan pa rin. Kumbaga, nagiging masaya ka nila sa mga bagay-bagay, no? Kundi sa hayop, sa material thing, no? Doon ka na lang, kumbaga, Doon mo nilalabas yung totoong kaligayahan mo. So let's see what is the Monsology. Have faith in your dreams. No? Magtiwala ka sa mga pangarap mo. And because this is on you and your loved ones are safe. No? Yung mga mahal mo sa buhay, safe naman daw. For Jesus' loving quote said, alam nyo, ang ganda ng reading nyo. Pero especially dito ha, mas may hugot dito ang love life sa'yo. And sinasabi dito, nothing shall be impossible to you. Na pagdating sa'yo, walang imposible. For what is the angel's number? Represent what? Represent change. Talagang kailangan na mabago, no? Kailangan na mabago. You are going to level up. It might not feel good initially, but it will prepare you to handle the greater things in life to our highest good. That is why you've been looking for through it. There's a reward waiting for the finish line. So see? Kaya rin nangyayari siguro yan, no? Pinapakita dito sa akin na kailangan na mabago yung sistema o yung eksena mo, no? Na ayon ng ating Panginoon na, kumbaga, mabaong ka dyan sa situation. Kung gusto, kumbaga, nakikita kasi na nasa taas na hindi ka nag-grow. No? Gusto ng ating Panginoon na meron ka pang ibubugay. Meron ka pang ipapakita na pagbabago o mababago pa yung buhay mo. Bakit mo kailangan mag-stay dyan sa situation na para mabulok at, di ba, mapaglipasan ka na lang ng panahon. So, parang pinapakita dito na, kumbaga, kailangan mong pitawan, kailangan mong alisin yung mga nagpapabigat o yung bigay sa'yo ng problema, no? Kailangan mo ng pakawalan kasi hindi ka makapag-grow or parang ang bulaklak, di ba? Ang bulaklak parang hindi siya bumubuka ng bongga kasi parang may nakaharang pa na, di ba, nagsisilbing harang no or block na hindi ka mag-grow. So, yun yung kailangan mong yung pinaka upper layer na nagsisilbing lock, no, na kailangan ng pakawalan, na kailangan ng alisin, no, para mag-grow ka bilang isang tao. So, let's see what is the messages of life. May humaharang no? So, let's see what is the messages of life for you. Kaya sinasabi dito, nabasa on the first bit, 2 beses itong pinaklarify with the major arcana, na this is something that card, na parang kailangan na matapos, no? Kailangan ng, di ba, kailangan na tuldukan. Kasi, paulit-ulit yung maling sistema o maling anggulo dito na, di ba, nangyayari sa buhay mo. So, sinasabi na messages of life is the step by step, no? Kumbaga, nasa tamang proseso yan At sinasabi sa'yo dito, today, I practice patience, I allow time to fulfill my goals, I understand that wisdom of letting go of control. I know that true value of each situation lies within creations, rather than it's the end result. Therefore, I allow my life to unfold step by step, inhabiting each moment, the fullest knowing that my soul is forever, rising higher and higher to embrace the light. So see, doon pa lang sa unang chapter dito na parang pinapakita guys na, kumaga, this is something lie or mystery or secrets, no? Na maaaring kailangan ng, di ba, ma-uncover na para malaman mo kung ano yung misteryo sa likod ng mga kasinungalingan, sa likod ng panloloko, na kumbaga sa likod ng pagiging tapat mo or pagiging faithful mo, no, nagagawa pa rin ganun ang gawin sa'yo. Kumbaga, this is the moment na hindi mo deserve, no? Yung nandun ka sa situation na yon, deserve mong yumabong, deserve mong mag-success, at deserve mong mabago ang iyong buhay at bukas. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of September 12 hanggang September 18 for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kundi lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!